Trying to lose weight with oats? Most people have been doing it wrong. They know oats are superfood and can help with weight loss, but they sabotage their weight loss goals without even knowing it. In this video, I'll show you how to eat oats the smart way, so you burn fat, not store it. Oats are naturally rich in beta-glucan, which is a special type of fiber found in most cereals. This fiber helps slow digestion, helps you feel fuller for longer, and reduces hunger later in the day. It also has the ability to help regulate blood sugar, so you're less likely to crash and snack. Oats are relatively low in calories compared to many other breakfast options, and they can be prepared in a way that maximizes satiety without adding excessive calories. They're also packed with minerals like magnesium and iron, and even contain plant protein, as well as provide some good benefits to your brain, gut, and heart. But here's where people go wrong. They add excessive sugar, syrup, or flavored instant packs. Now, these sweet substances can cause blood sugar spikes and actually promote fat storage. This can ultimately lead to hunger crashes and overeating as time goes on. Now, let's get into what to actually eat with oats to help with fat loss. Always remember that oats are just the base of the food. You need to build the right bowl. When preparing your oatmeal bowl, try to add some protein like Greek yogurt or protein powder. You can also add some healthy fats like chia seeds, flax seeds, or peanut butter, which can all contribute to fullness. Incorporating some fiber-rich fruit like berries or banana slices can also contribute to satiety. If you build your oat bowl this way, it will help to slow digestion, keep insulin levels low, and fuel your metabolism. Balanced oats equals stable energy, better focus, and fat-burning metabolism. You can eat oats at any time of the day, but the best times are in the morning or after workouts. Why? Because you're more insulin sensitive during those times, so your body uses carbs for fuel instead of storing them. And please avoid late-night oats with sweet toppings. It defeats the purpose of fat loss. Now, there is a myth about oats contributing to fat gain. Not really. Oats have always been used for fat loss. It is only used for fat gain when you are adding all these sugary substances to them. Remember that all oats are not the same. Steel-cut oats is better than rolled oats, which is also better than instant oats, in terms of nutrition and glycemic impact. Oats are gluten-free, but cross-contamination can occur. So always look for certified labels. So if you are really serious about your weight loss journey, then oats can help you. But you have to skip adding excessive sugar and instead add proteins and fiber. And also practice portion control, because oats can be your fat-burning ally, but it's only when eaten with intention. Want more science-backed food tips? Follow at Eatwithevidence for myth-busting, facts, and real nutrition. And drop a comment. What's your favorite way to eat oats?